Hello everyone, hope all are fine. So let's start our class. So today we are going to learn about code.org. Fine, so first of all I am showing you how we can open it. Simply I have written the code.org and then the very first option which you will get, on that you need to tap, and then on projects you need to click. And here you can see the artist lab. Just tap on it, and now this is the interface which you are going to get. Fine. So here you can see a character is there holding a pen in his hand. So whatever the coding we will do, wherever he will move, it will draw a line. Fine. So let's start. From the blocks menu, first of all, tap on this actions. Here you will get some of the blocks. So on the very first option, move forward by question mark pixels, where we need to tap, and then just long press we need to do. Just place it here under when run. Fine. And then tap on these question marks. Instead of that question mark, we need to write 100. The moment we write 100, can you see the character has been drawn a line over there. Now in order to create a square, we need to move the character. So again we need to go to the actions, and the second option, turn right by question mark degrees, long press on it and then place it. And then instead of question mark, we will write 90. Fine. So now it has been turned towards his right direction. Now again we need to move forward it. So what we will do, click on the actions, move forward and place it here. And then instead of question mark, again the same 100 pixels. Again we need to turn it towards right. The same steps we will repeat. Actions, turn right, and we will place it over here. And then instead of question mark, I will write 90. Fine. So see, we need to repeat the same steps again and again. Again we need to write the move forward by 100 pixels and turn right by 90 degree. So instead of writing it again and again, why don't we use the loops? Yes, loops. If we want to repeat any of the same steps again and again, in that case we use loops. So here on the third position, can you see these loops are written? Just tap on it, and two loops are given, so we need to take this one, the bottom one, and then place it here, and then place inside this loop all these steps. Fine. Now question marks are there now. After this repeat question mark, how many times? So it is asking how many times it need to be repeat. So I am just writing here 2 times, because already 2 times it is written. So you can see the moment I write there 2, this character has drawn a square over there. Fine. Now let us change the color of this square. So we need to go to the brushes, then take this set color, place it over here. So you can see the change. Now our square is of red color. When you tap on this red color, it will show you a color palette. Just tap on it, the color will change. Fine. Like this you can change any of the color. Again we are going to the brushes. From here we are taking this set width, and we are placing it here. Fine. So we can set the width of our square. So instead of question mark, suppose if I'll write 50, so you can see the change, the width is there. Now if I'll write 100 instead of 50, what will happen? Yes, so you can see a filled square has been drawn. And now if we want this character to be hide, suppose we don't want to see this character now because we have drawn our one shape. So what we can do, we need to go to the actions, and then this block, second last, jump to 0 over 0 down. Fine. You can see our character is hide. Now what is the meaning of jump to 0 over 0 down? See, x and y coordinates are there in a stage. Fine. where the stage is drawing any shape for us now, in that stage, that is like divided into x and y coordinates. X stands for your horizontal coordinates and y stands for your vertical coordinates. Fine. Now one more thing I want to show you. I am just placing it down, and instead of these colors and width, what I am going to do, tap on the brushes, set pattern. Okay, from here we can choose, so many patterns are there, so we can choose any of it. Fine. Like this, different patterns has been given, so we can choose like this. Even we can, like, by tapping on this degrees, we can change the degrees as well. Okay, we can change the degrees as well, whatever the like degree we want. And let us set the width also. I am setting the width. And now you can see there is no change, so I am just not taking it. And then see, so you can set the pattern, whatever the pattern you want, and even you can, by like moving here and there, you can change the degrees as well. Fine. So I am going to write 90 here. This is how you can change it also. Now the next thing which I want to show you is, going into the brushes, you will find this also, draw sticker. I am going to place it here. It will also repeat because I am placing it into a repeat block. Okay, so here it is written 2 times, so it will repeat 2 times, and it will, we can take any of the sticker also. If I'll write here 4 times, so any sticker you can take, and then you can rotate it. Fine. You can rotate it like wherever you want. Fine. So this is all for today. Rest we will do in our next class. Fine. So bye everyone. Have a nice day to all.